Hello, my name is Jeff Rolka. You can learn more about me at voicelessonssf.com. I had a request for some chord progressions that one could sing along with. And in the correspondence with the individual that made the request, we got to going back and forth on what they were looking for and everything. And so what this really is a framework for you to practice or to explore singing melodies. However, the vocalization that we're going to use is going to group the notes of each of the individual arpeggios that we'll be singing in a closed position, meaning that, for example, let's say we're in the key of D major. So I can sing E. Now, the next chord in our progression is going to be the 4 chord, this one. And rather than moving where I'm my starting point, I'm going to sing the D natural first because it's part of the chord. E. So it effectively makes it in second inversion is what we have there. And then the 5 chord, I will start on the 7th in first inversion. As part of our exercise here. And if you wanted to, you could add the 7th. But I leave that up to your discretion. I'm using E. You could use any vowel or words or anything that you want, really. This is perhaps one of the more open-ended videos I've ever done, but I'm glad to do it. So, the progression will sound like this. 1, 2, ready. I'm going to start fairly low so that we can get as many different vocalists into this as possible, and I'm going to continue on for rather a long time playing this progression, getting into the upper register. You can feel free to jump in and jump out as you see fit. If it ever gets too low or too high, just take a break. We are going to start down here in the key of A major. 1, 2, ready. the other progression that I'm going to do, that was 1, 4, 5, 1. You know, everyone should just have this one in the their back pocket. It's 1, 5, 6, 4. I mean, I think more hit songs have been written with that than anything ever. So for our purposes here, it'll be and then we'll be into the next key. So for starters, we'll just begin here. 2, 3. And there you go. If you want different chord progressions or timings or pacings and things like that, just let me know and I can do those as well. As always, I hope this helps. My name is Jeff Rolka. If you have comments or questions, feel free to get in touch via the comment section or YouTube's message system. You can learn more about me at voicelessonssf.com. If you've chosen to subscribe, I thank you very much. If you have not yet chosen to subscribe, I'd like to encourage you to do so because I get new content out just about every week. And if you don't find it on my channel, I will get it done for you if you let me know about it as soon as I possibly can. As always, take very good care of your voices, enjoy singing, and hopefully we will see you again. Thanks. Bye.